3, 2, 1.
Good day and welcome to the Belgium Campus website. Today I will be showing you how to apply to be a student at Belgium Campus. First, you would want to go to Apply Now. This will take you to our application portal. Here you need to create a profile in order to apply. After you've created a profile, you will receive a confirmation email and SMS to verify your email address you used to register. Step 1 is to complete your applicant profile, where you need to supply us with all your personal information. Step 2 is to complete your application form. This can be for your tuition or your residence, which can be found here. Please remember to complete all details on your application form. This will include the following: the details of a family member or a next of kin, the payer's details or the person responsible for the payment of your study fees. We will require the signature of the student and the payer of the account. At the bottom of the application form, tick the box for the terms and conditions. Otherwise, your application will be unsuccessful. After you've completed the application form, you can now submit. Step 3 is to supply us with your supporting documents. These documents include certified copies of your ID, the ID of a parent, and the ID of the person responsible for the payment of your account. You will also need to submit a proof of residence, a medical aid card if applicable, and your latest grade 11 results or your matric certificate. You can also find options for funding on your applicant portal. Here you can see the fees for the year, as well as all funding options available to the student. Next is your status. Here you will be updated on your status all through the application process. After we have received your application, you will be notified as to which qualification you are eligible for. You will have to select a single qualification to study towards at this point in time. In order to secure your place here at Belgium Campus, you will have to pay a registration fee of 4,000 Rand. Thank you for applying at Belgium Campus iTversity.